Hey everyone, Jeff Teague here. I'm going to show you a cool way, actually a few cool ways to upgrade your 25 Camry. Some of these upgrade ideas are going to be right from the factory. Some are going to be from the regional port and some are going to be from an outside cool source. For this particular one, you can use it with other trim levels, but this is the LE. So it's the base entry level. Look at that though. That looks like no entry level I've ever seen. Really cool. Look at the wheels, the badging. Ice cap white color. So classic, so sporty, so hot. Ooh, black badging. Lasfit lighting is perfect for the 25 Camry, specifically the LE and the SE that you see here. Your Camry will have halogen bulbs on the front turn signal, right here. Rear turn signal, over here. You'll also find halogen bulbs on the backup lights. Let's make that brighter. Yes, it's brighter, but is it noticeable? Well, in the shade, it's absolutely noticeable. Wait until you see at nighttime. Look at this right here. 500% brighter, these Lasfit LED turn signals, front and back, versus halogens. Right over here, you can tell a huge difference in the shade. 5-minute plug-and-play installation. How about this comparison at nighttime? Halogen light, and then Lasfit LED light. Wow! And how about the backup lights? Choose the beautiful bright white of Lasfit. If you thought that was cool, look at the back here. Here's the stock halogen rear turn signal, and then look at this one right here. Lasfit light, 500% brighter. I didn't really think there would be that much difference in the backup lights, but it's 300% brighter for the Lasfit LED backup lights versus halogen. Look at this. As I back up, you can see it's pure white, better visibility, easier to see, shows wider and brighter. Look at that. Halogen turn signal, Lasfit turn signal, halogen turn signal, Lasfit turn signal. What? Lasfit turn signals deliver 360 full lighting effect with a wider coverage, ensuring optimal visibility. In the front, I use switchback lights, so it has white LED daytime running lights there. This is what you get when you buy one from the factory. So it's white LED lighting, but then you get the amber turn signal. And this is kind of the best of both worlds because it is bright, 4,000 lumens per pair, but it's soft light so that it won't dazzle you or oncoming vehicles. Turn signals have 30,000 hour long lifespan. That's huge. Intelligent temperature control designed to flexibly adjust the temperature and prevent overheating or current overload. And you'll have peace of mind because it has the upgraded decoder system, making sure there's no hyperflash or error messages. These backup lights are no backup. 300% brighter than halogens, 1,400 lumens of 6,000 K white light allows clear visibility when reversing at night. These are perfect for reverse, backup, and cargo lights. CAN bus ready, ensures compatibility with 90% of all vehicles, preventing error and flickering. And they're safe and durable, equipped with mini fuses and advanced heat dissipation for 30,000 hours lifespan. 3-point design for a safe halogen-like beam pattern. In the front, we're just going to replace this stock bulb right here with this one right here. For the rear turn signals, what we're going to do is pop out this plastic piece, then take out this tail light, and then replace that bulb with this super bright one right here. The backup lights are right here, so what you want to do is take a pocket screwdriver, pop these out, and then just replace the bulb like that. Very simple, 5 minutes for all three. For 2025, all Camrys, the LE, the SE, the XLE, and the XSE are all hybrid. They all get tremendous gas mileage approaching or over 50 mpg. They get more power. So that's nice. This LE has an upgrade from the factory. It's the convenience package. I'm going to show you what's in it so you can see if you want it. Let's start right here with the XP Shadow. Kind of like that old 70s show, the white Shadow, but different. Get on in here. Traditionally on an LE from the factory, you're going to have 16-inch alloy wheels, but here we've got these KMC 18-inch gloss black alloys. Look at that. That is tremendous with performance tires too. These ones are 235, 45, boom, R18. Yes, XP, that's an appearance package, a series of appearance packages from Southeast Toyota region. What I'd like you to do is either look in the Southeast region if you want this. This one's at Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh. You can go to fredandersontoyota.com, or you can go to your region and see what kind of upgraded packages they have available to you. Also, it comes with the black emblem overlays. Nice. As far as the cost, I'm going to show the window sticker at the end, so we'll see what's been added factory, regional port, And then again, we're gonna be talking about Lasfit lights. The convenience package, that comes from the factory, so you can get that on the LE, you can get it on the SE, but it's gonna be missing a feature that's on this LE one. First of all, the smart key. I just unlocked it. I can get inside and look at all that wonderful technology. I can also lock it. If you see the two parallel lines, that means this vehicle has the auto lock and unlock on those doors. Next feature is going to be the auto dimming rear view mirror. That means that it dims on its own. When it sees lights here, it's gonna dim at nighttime, so then the lights are not going to blind you. He blinded me with science. And then home link for garage door opener, so you can put 1, 2, 3 times a lady. You can program in 3 different settings. So your gated community, your garage, your second home, all that stuff can be just push a button. You don't need your garage door opener out. This next upgrade in the convenience package is not going to be found on the SE because that has a power seat. So you can go from a normal, traditional, manually operated seat, you know, slider, like that. But you can do the, let's see, we can go up, all the way up to the top of Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Everest, you know, all that stuff. Then we can go back, forward, we can twist our seat, and it's 2-way lumbar support. So it's out, oh, I feel it now. That's $1,050 for the convenience package that includes this power seat. You can get this and the smart key on the SE, and that one's $600. This one has clear paint protection, and where you would find it would be places that might get chips from rocks and things like that. So we'll see it right along this edge here. They do a good job with this technology. Now it's really hard to see. Goes along there. It can be in the door cups. This is where a lot of rings, especially rings that stick out, might scratch inside here. So looking at a used car, you'll see those a lot if you don't have clear paint protection. You'll also find it on the rear bumper protector and the rear spoiler. See the little seam right there? It's clear. And it says it's on the rear spoiler, so I guess that would mean it's somewhere in here. I just can't feel it today. I feel it coming. How about a regional assembly port multimedia screen protector? So that could come on here. You'll see this one right here. Boom. See, it says it has it. You just peel it off. Well, this sticker right here. This one is designed to protect it, and it might reduce glare a little bit. I'm not really sure, but some people like having screen protectors on their phones, so they might like having it here as well. How about getting either carpeted floor mats or all weather? Toyota does not bring in their vehicles factory mats unless it's a specialty vehicle. But look at this right here. It's lipped, it's lined, so that way wet, dirty, muddy things are not going to get the bottom of your vehicle or your trunk. Emergency assistance kit, you might want to get that. Then we're going to look at these. Got to open up all the doors. Here's the floor liners for that one. They're lipped, they're lined. Very nice. Lasfit also has mats for the 25 Camry. I've reviewed those before. So that might be something that you want. The Lasfit one is a one-piece design, and it goes all the way over. So that could be something. Isn't this a beautiful, beautiful design? Look at this interior. It's so modern. That was one thing missing on the last generation, is a modern interior, and now we've got it. Also, we've got a hybrid Camry across the lineup. They don't even call it Camry Hybrid anymore. It's just a really, really efficient Camry and a more powerful Camry. Talk about upgrading. This has the 5th generation Toyota hybrid system, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, 225 horsepower for the front wheel drive that's here, or you could get 232, that's the all-wheel drive across the lineup. So you could get it on LE, SE, XLE, and XSE, front wheel drive or all-wheel drive. It just depends on what you're looking for. But the fuel mileage is incredible. Yeah, would you believe it? This one gets 51 mpg combined, 53 in the city, 50 on the highway, 51! Woo! Look at this one right here, a nice aggressive hood. Really cool looking. It really draws people into this vehicle here. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Look at the LE grille. You'll see a different grille design across every trim level. Look at this. So that has the stock one. We could upgrade that with the Lasfit lights for sure. Has LED headlights. I love this design right here. It's gorgeous. Look at the panel, look at the lines. Very subtle, but very sporty. I see turn signal indicators in the side mirror. No moonroof here. Let's go all the way over. I see blind spot. This is an LE, blind spot. Holla. Rear spoiler. Okay, very nice, very nice. Yeah, that's super cool. LED light design. Outside. And I'm such a dummy. I stand corrected. On the window sticker, regional assembly port, not clear paint protection. Stop it, Jeff, just stop it. They added the rear spoiler itself. That's not standard on an LE, but boy, did that sport it up. Look at that, with the wheels and the spoiler. Do you want this one? How about we show off this one on the inside a little bit? LE's gonna be the one that has all cloth seating, all fabric seats. It's got a seat pocket, 2 seat pockets, rear air, and USBs. Big improvements over the last generation. I like that a lot. Look at this. See, that's comfy. That is squishy. You want this on your lazy boy at home. Look at the pattern. Really neat. At the top, it's different from down below. And it's not just a gray pattern. It's broken up. So I think that's nice. Got bottle opening, some silver accents. Oh, a plane. Let's watch them. Safe travels, friends. And we go over here. I know people are going to be writing in the comments already. Why did you show that plane? Well, that's something on my channel. I film right at the landing area and the takeoff area for Raleigh-Durham Airport. Look at this. It flows up right here. So we just embrace the planes. Just embrace them. They got an important job to do here. USBs, A and 2 C's there. And then, sounds like I'm doing A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. All right, look at that. Wireless charging, storage area, electronic parking brake, brake hold, Eco Normal Sport. See, the LE is kind of loaded up. It's got an 8-inch multimedia, tainted love. Digital temperature controls, dual temperature controls. I see the push button start here. Controls. Nice. It's a great looking vehicle. It has a sunglass holder here. There it is. LED lights, slider right there. Toyota audio multimedia, so no more wires with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Lots of voice commands. That's the interior. Camry LE, Ice Cap, Georgetown, Kentucky. Ooh, good fuel mileage. We already talked about that, but there it is. Electronic CVT. That's different from a traditional CVT. Excellent, excellent. 28.4. Did you know that the price of a Camry LE for 2025 is cheaper than a Camry Hybrid LE last year? Pretty cool. It's a great value. If you were looking at a Camry Hybrid LE last year, this year it would be cheaper going with the LE. More features, more technology, safety. Look at these regional assembly port options here and tell me, would you want some of them? Which ones would you want? Which one would you not want? I'd love to hear it all. This one is $34,956. You could get all these options, some of these options, none of these options. This one's available at Fred Anderson Toyota. Go to fredandersontoyota.com. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. What do you think about this one? Shut the front door, and we'll shut the back door as well. Would you get some of those options, all those options? What about this XP Shadow package? It's new, it's pretty hot. Talk about ways to really sport up an LE. That might be the way to do it. All right, thanks guys so much. And remember, Lasfit Lighting. Please go to the link that I've got pinned in the description section, also the first comment, and you can find the discount code as well. So let me know what you guys think. Lasfit Lighting is the way to go. Remember, 500% brighter on the LED turn signals in the front, in the back, and 300% brighter than halogen with the backup lights. They last 30,000 hours of lifespan. That's pretty amazing. No error codes. It's just tremendous. Lots of lumens. It's very bright, not distracting. It's just beautiful. Thanks guys so much. I'm at Toyota Jeff Reviews, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. And my second channel is Auto Jeff Reviews. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. And I'll see you there. Hee hee. Ow! Woo! And if you'd like more Camry content, click on my Camry playlist. It's a growing library, especially of our favorite 2025. Remember, there are previous years, lots and lots of Camry videos. One of my favorite cars that Toyota's ever made. So dependable, it's bullets. All right, everybody, see you next time.